The foldable smartphone market is entering a new phase, and the biggest change is clear. Book-style foldables are becoming the top choice for many users. Instead of small flip phones that focus on style and compact size, more people now want bigger screens and better productivity. And because of this shift, Samsung is making the Galaxy Z Fold 8 its top priority for 2026. Book-style foldables open like a book and give you a large internal display. This design is perfect for multitasking, watching videos, gaming, and even working on documents. Compared to flip-style models, which are mainly about being small and portable, book-style devices are built for performance and practicality. Consumers are starting to care less about novelty and more about real-world usefulness. A bigger internal screen makes it easier to split apps side by side, join video calls, edit documents, or browse the web comfortably. These devices are slowly becoming phone and tablet replacements in one product. That is why they are gaining popularity so quickly. Samsung has noticed this shift and is adjusting its strategy. For the first time, the company is planning to produce more Galaxy Z Fold models than Galaxy Z Flip units. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to sell around 3.5 million units globally, which shows how serious Samsung is about this direction. One major improvement with the Z Fold 8 is its wider, near-square internal display. This change makes the screen feel more natural when multitasking or navigating apps. Instead of a tall and narrow layout, users will get a more balanced experience that feels closer to using a small tablet. Samsung is also focusing heavily on multitasking features. Split screen support and optimized app interfaces are designed to make daily tasks smoother. The goal is simple: turn the foldable into a true productivity device, not just a flashy gadget. Durability is another key focus. Foldable phones have always faced concerns about long-term reliability. With the Z Fold 8, Samsung is introducing new materials and stronger structural elements to handle everyday wear and tear. This makes the device more appealing to power users who rely on their phones for work and heavy usage. One of the biggest technological improvements is in the display itself. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to feature improved creaseless display technology. Samsung has reportedly reduced crease visibility by 20% compared to earlier models. That is a big deal for users who care about screen quality. This improvement comes from advanced layered glass technology and a laser-drilled support plate underneath the display. The layered glass keeps the screen flexible but stronger, while the new support structure improves overall smoothness. Together, these changes make the folding experience feel more premium and refined. Samsung is not alone in this trend. Other brands like Honor, Oppo, and Motorola are also moving toward wider and more practical foldable designs. The entire industry is slowly shifting from experimental designs to devices that focus on usability and performance. At the same time, Apple is preparing to enter the foldable market. The rumored foldable iPhone is expected to use Samsung-supplied creaseless panels. However, Apple will likely take a different approach. Instead of focusing on advanced multitasking features, Apple may emphasize build quality, design refinement, and ecosystem integration. Apple could use advanced materials like liquid metal to improve durability. And as always, the company will probably focus on smooth software integration with its ecosystem. While Samsung aims at power users, Apple may target users who value simplicity and seamless experience. Still, Samsung has a clear advantage. It has years of experience in foldable technology and has already solved many early challenges. Its global launch strategy and focus on innovation give it a strong lead in the market. By prioritizing the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Samsung is betting that consumers want larger screens, better multitasking, and premium durability. The foldable market is no longer niche, it is becoming mainstream, and with its strong focus on practicality and performance, Samsung is positioning itself to lead the next phase of mobile technology.